What's up guys? Today we're going to be checking out a townhouse by Century Community Homes in a new community that just recently opened up here at the Towns at the Union Village by Century Community Homes. And for today's tour, we are going to be touring Plan 1479 and I cannot wait to show you. Also guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these tours, guys, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are at the Towns at Union Village by Century Community Homes here in Henderson. For today's tour, we're going to be checking out Plan 1479. Also just did a video tour on 1405, link on your top right hand screen if you want to check that out as well. But I will also have that link towards the end, so if you want to check it out, you can click it, because I do recommend checking out this one first, because honestly, I think this is in my personal opinion, my favorite floor plan. It's very similar to 1478, but this is the biggest floor plan that is available here, here in this community. So here we have Plan 1479. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and just like the plan number, guys, it is 1,479 square feet with a 2-car garage. You don't see it, but the 2-car garage is on the other side. And also the starting base price for this one is $374,990. So that base price, guys, if you're familiar with new construction, that does not include your lot premiums or any upgrades you may want. But here with Century Community Home, guys, they are a spec builder, which means that the builder is already picking the finishes, which is the upgrades, and also including the lot premiums and giving you an out the door price. All you have to do is come in, tell them what plan you want, and they'll tell you what finishes, and maybe you can decide if it's a go or it's a no go. So that's just how they're doing it here. HOA here is $134 a month, non-gated community. So they do have 3 different floor plan, guys. So they have 1405 and 1478. So if 1479 is not a fit, you know, who knows, you do have 2 other options, which is a good thing. And also they are only going to be building 87 units here in this community, so not a very large community. And like I said earlier, guys, they are speccing these out, so you can't come in and say I want to change the flooring, you can't. That's just not how it works here. Just to give you an idea, guys, you know, I did give you that base price of $374,990. I would probably add around 18 to 20K on top of that, which includes your upgrades and your lot premiums. And I'll give you a good idea of what your out the door price is. Before we get started, let me show you actually where we're at. So we are in Henderson. As you can see right there is Henderson Hospital. Right over there you do have the water park, and then literally down the street, guys, you got the access freeway to 95. Right across the street you got Costco, and then you got Galleria Mall. So very nice area here, in my opinion, as far as convenience and what's around you in the surrounding areas. So enough of me yapping. Let me just show you the inside now, right? Like, shut up, Romero. Show me the goods. Show me the inside. So here in the front, you do have a covered little porch area, I guess you can say. And let me see where they have. Okay, I was gonna see if they had the AC unit, but it looks like they probably have it right here, right on the other side. So AC unit is right here. I think it's important to know where that stuff is, kind of, because it is a townhouse, right? You want to know, like, the camera doorbell, some more deadbolt lock right here. Let's go inside. All right, so right in front, you do have to go to the second floor, but check this out, guys. Here's your first floor. So got the living room, dining, and kitchen. Quick little disclaimer, guys. This is a model home. So typically they are gonna have probably upgrades that they're not gonna be speccing their houses out. They wanna kinda, give you that wow factor, make you fall in love, but just know that you're probably not gonna get all these finishes. So just a heads up, guys, so you're well aware. So let me get here on this side so you can see your living room area. So you got your living room, so you got 3 windows there. Nice, and then you would have your TV here. That's where it seems like the only spot you could make sense to put it. And then right over here, you got the dining. And then your kitchen, guys. So here you have the brown cabinets, quartz countertop, seats about 2 people. Then you got your pantry right here. Let me show you. Sorry, I just got the hiccups. I don't know why, but here's your pantry. So you also have the tile backsplash. And I know you see that electric stove. So this community is all electric, guys. So no gas stoves, even your water heater is gonna be electric. So stainless steel undermount sink, osmosis. You got your dishwasher, refrigerator, washer, and dryer not included with your home purchase, guys. So microwave, stove, and then right over here you have the powder room. And then that door right there is to your 2-car garage, which here the garages are on the opposite side. Which, when I say opposite side, I mean I don't think I explained that in the beginning, so let me tell you real quick. So the front door is over here, and then on the other opposite side is your garage. So if you're living here, most likely you're gonna park in the garage and come in through here. But if you're having company, they're gonna come knock on your door. They would have to walk around and go over here, ring the doorbell. All right, so then right here we do have, looks like a coat closet. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm guessing. Yep, coat closet. Now let's go upstairs. And if you guys are enjoying this tour, guys, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. Also, guys, really quick, if you are interested in purchasing a new construction home, whether this community or any other community, if it's new, we do have to come with you on that first visit. If you do choose to have your own outside representation away from the builder, which I always recommend, guys. Like, don't get me wrong, guys. I love the builder agents. I love working with them. At the end of the day, guys, think of it this way. Who do they work for and whose back are they always gonna have? Of course, they still are you fiduciary, guys, don't get me wrong, but they do work for the builder, guys. So if you would like me as your realtor, which I hope so, feel free to reach out. Here to help any way I can. So here you have a linen closet. Just ran out of breath, guys, sorry. All that yapping. Then over here, laundry room. Like I said, washer and dryer not included. And then your sort panel box right there. All right, so right here we do have the primary. We're gonna check that out last, guys. Let's go check it out over here. So real similar to 1478. So here's the hallway bathroom. So you'll notice also carpet throughout. You are gonna have tile flooring in your wet area, such as your bathrooms, laundry room. Here it is. What y'all think? So now, let's go check out bedroom number 1. Staged as a kid room with lions. Love it. My son would absolutely love it. I do love that ceiling fan too, pretty cool. Bedroom number 2. With this. Then you got a closet right over there. Let me stand in this corner so you can see real quick, guys. All right, now I always save the best for last, which is the primary bedroom. So let's go check it out. Here it is. I do feel like 1478, the primary is a little bigger. This one's not bad, don't get me wrong, but I do feel like 14. I have to look at it again. But if you've seen that property tour, let me know, is it bigger? And then here's your primary bathroom. So like I said, tile flooring in the wet areas, bathroom, laundry rooms. Dual vanity. Stand-up shower. Over here you have your toilet. And last but not least, your primary closet. Look at this. Not too bad. Well, let me know in the comments below what y'all think of this floor plan. Like it, you don't. So I pretty much already done all tours here in this community. So let me know if you've seen, 1478, 1405, and this one's a 1479. Let me know maybe if any one of those is a fit. So I will have those two videos here at the end, so you can click the link if you want to check those out so you can know what I'm talking about. Also guys, if you guys would like to come check out this this floor plan or any other floor plan here in this community, or maybe a different community, or even looking to sell your home, I will have my contact info below, guys. Don't hesitate to reach out. Here to help any way I can. So give me a call, text, email, or even let's schedule a video call, guys. And let's put a game plan and let's connect, guys. Also, do me a huge favor, guys. This is all I ask. If you guys found some value in this tour, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.